Magandang umaga, mga hikamaniacs.
Rise and shine.
And welcome to my channel, Hiking with Vowed, the channel that makes hiking fun and exciting. So hey guys, we are at the base of a trail called Mormon, not the Mormon Loop, but Mormon Trail. And it's kind of a long story how we got here, but to make a long story short, I'm just going to say this is going to be part 2 of my last video, which involved the Midlife Crisis and the National Trail. And we're not getting too much into it right now. There'll be further explanations later. Let's just say that didn't go
exactly as planned.
But more on that later. Let's get this hike started. But first, a flashback of what you missed. Let's get going. Well, we're back on top. The place we were a few weeks ago when we did the hike on Javelina Canyon, Mormon Loop. This is the same point that we were up on before. So now we have to figure out how to get back to our parking lot, which is it's down there somewhere, so we will figure it out.
Are you sure about that?
Madilim pa na yun. Hindi pa sumikat na araw. Kaya nga, dapat mag-ingat. Kasi butong-buto. This is kind of like a parang hagdanan. It's tricky in the dark too. You can't see exactly where you're gonna go until you get to it.
Stop whining.
But the first tier, guess you call it. And I don't know if you can see it, but there's some people
A little further up than me.
and they have headlamps on. See? I don't know if you can see them. getting gradually getting lighter as we're making our way up the trail. So many rocks. But thus far, it's a hike still. Hasn't become a scramble yet. Big ass cactus. Okay, well, it's getting light out now, and we've sort of gotten on top of something here. If my memory serves me, we should be coming into the National Trail
any minute.
So I'll let you guys know when we get there. I'll probably get rid of this headlamp too. So it's getting light out. I don't think we need that anymore.
Two hours later.
I know, I need to get some more weight in there, right? Have a good one.
So we're like in the hill area there? Or
Yeah,
you're
Twin
Peaks.
Twin Peaks.
This Twin Peaks right there.
Yeah.
Cool.
And if you want to, you're going that way, so you're going to cut down this way.
Oh, yeah.
And if you take it all the way down to Javelina,
Yeah, that's going to be the parking lot.
Well, that guy was super nice. I'm not going to use his voice in the video because he didn't want me to, so it's totally fine. But we're going to show the map. And this trail, everyone should be familiar with this. This is like our third time doing it. But we're going to do it anyway because this is such a beautiful sunrise. Okay, one more time, sir. Your name again?
Turk.
Turk 57.
That's my YouTube channel, yeah.
Oh, right on, brother. All right, we give a big shout out to Turk, and we will have to get together again. You guys make sure you subscribe to his channel. And he does a lot of cool hiking also. And he was nice enough to give me some information on the trail.
Right.
Thanks, Mr. Turk.
Right.
We'll see you later, brother.
All right, later.
A few moments later.
So we're at that little peak there, and one fellow was nice enough to give us some information about the trails.
Talented, brilliant, incredible, amazing, show-stopping, spectacular, never the same.
So the problem is, this might be a good time to talk about what happened last time. So last time, I was planning on making a loop on the MC, also known as Midlife Crisis, and I wound up accidentally
Going down the hill on the other side.
and it's not like I was lost. I kind of realized it wasn't taking me the right way, but I was hoping against hope that there'd be a trail to loop back around, which of course there wasn't. So I wound up at the bottom of the hill. It was about 11 o'clock, out of water, and I checked my map and I was 6.5 miles away from my last point to where I originally parked. So I wound up calling an Uber, just Ubering back to the start point. So it wasn't the most auspicious way to end the hike.
That is so embarrassing.
So today is about a little bit of redemption, trying to find that pesky other end of the trail. So I'll let you know when I figure something out. I'm not looking at you guys because I'm on this really rocky downslope here. So yeah, pretty much some of the people over there confirmed we were on the right trail. So this could be the way down. But you know, we won't know till we get there, so we'll just have to see what happens. Okay, I don't know if I'm actually on a trail, but I know I'm going the right way.
Are you sure about that?
Because I can see that parking area that we started at last time. So, yeah. It's probably the right way. All right, we have to cross this little stream area, I guess you'd call it. I don't know if it's a stream. Yeah, I guess it would be. Is there any water? There might be a stream. I don't think there's any right now, so it should be okay. Holy crap. I accidentally
wandered off the mountain into somebody's driveway.
This one's out of control.
It's not ideal. But we still have. Looks like there's a road here. I really have no idea where the hell I am now. I just came out. And, yeah. We'll figure this out.
Hold on a second, guys.
A few moments later.
Okay, it looks like we have a way to get in here. So, I guess we need to get back up. So let's get back up the hill and see what's on top. we made it up here. We're way off the trail that we were trying to be on. So we have to, I think we're just gonna go back where we came from. That was where we came. And and that should really get us back where we need to go. So let's just go back that way. So there's a bunch of trails below us here. Let's see where they are. Wow. So our goal is to get back to that ridgeline over here. I mean ridgeline, that peak. We're already on a ridgeline. It's crazy seeing like the view from up here. And it's like some of these trails seem pretty obvious, but once you get down there and you're down low, you can't really. They don't have it marked very well, so you don't really see where they are.
Stop whining.
I think that might be the Mormon Loop down there to my left. You can see that. I genuinely don't know because...
This area is super confusing.
But it's also awesome, so... well, let's get back up to this other peak. This other peak's not going to hike itself. So let's get our fat asses up there already.
Do it! Just do it!
Top of this big old hill here, and we're just gonna need to get down and get on that main trail. I mean, that's really the way in, so we're not gonna be messing around anymore up here. We're gonna get down as soon as possible and just go to that trail because it's getting hot. It's getting late, and Bob is out there. He's kicking our ass. So. Well, we're going in a different direction, so it's taking us back to a trail. Whew. And I'm just tired of being off trail, quite frankly. So I'm just going to go on the easiest trail I can to get back, even if it's a little bit farther. Stay tuned. One spot I just hit right here. It's so cool. It's literally about 20 degrees cooler than the rest of the air temperature. It's freaking awesome. aimless trek up this mini mountain. It's not as big as the other mountain, but still, you know.
It's not insignificant.
You kind of forget about these so-called smaller elevation climbs, but a lot of small. One big. So, yeah. All right, starting to look familiar here. Back to the Twin Peaks. So, usually I'd have a joke for that, but I'm too freaking tired. So fill in your own joke right now.
First of all, you're stupid.